how to invert colors on iPhone. So all you have to do is proceed here to your settings app, and then all you have to do is to scroll down up until you see accessibility option here. Click on the accessibility option and just scroll and go here to the vision or very first selection here where you can see vision. Now under vision, you will see display and text size. Click click on that and scroll down up until you see Smart Invert and then Classic Invert. Now, if you toggle on Smart Invert, it will actually reverses the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color and styles. If you toggle that on, it will now start to reverse the colors on your display here. As you can see, it will look like this. And basically that is it. Let's just go back here to Smart Invert. Once you go here to Smart Invert, as you can see, Smart Invert here, and if you click on Smart Invert, as you can see, it won't change the colors of the applications and the photos, but for this it will change that one, and of course this one too. And basically, if you tap on the Classic Invert here, even the image, it will change the image too, or the wallpaper, even our wallpaper here in the applications. And basically that is it. That is how you invert colors on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.